removing the steering wheel in this 2000 Volkswagen Golf MK4 2.0 liter. So to do that, the steering wheel has two latches, one on each side. So to do that, I had to do it in vertical, keep it vertical, and there's an access hole right below this arm, right there. It's a little difficult, but just play around, and then once you pop it, the airbag will come out like this, and disconnect the airbag connector. And then next step is this spline or torque socket or torque bolt, torque is required to remove it. And before you do that, keep the steering wheel aligned to the center. I think there is a mark on this. I can't see it. It's not. Let's see. You can throw some light on it. There's a mark that should point to the top, I think between the steering wheel and the column. So keep it straight. Remove this Torx or spline socket and should be able to replace it with the new one. This center bolt, the one, is a M12 spline. So I'm going to use that to remove the steering wheel. It's off. You can clearly see the alignment point, the top, right at the top. That's the alignment, and there is a small point there that should align to the top for the center of the steering wheel. Right there. Here's the new GTI steering wheel and the Golf MK4. How does it look, Others?
It looks way better. It's thicker too.
Right. It's nice.